Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to use application control in the FortiGate firewall. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. To configure the application control in the FortiGate firewall, we need to go to the security profiles. In the security profiles, you can see fifth one option is application control profile. Then click on application control profile and then click on create new. So give the name to the profile. So I will type AI block profile. So in today's video I will show you how to block the AI application in the FortiGate. So in the category section, go to Gen AI, right click on it and click on signatures. So all application in this category will be blocked when we block this category. So you can see open AI, that is chat GPT is there, Google Gemini is there, Amazon AWS is there. So total 29 application signatures are added in this Gen AI category. Also, you can create custom signatures for any applications as per your requirement. So now on the live screen you can see that I am currently able to access the chat GPT. So now I will apply the newly created AI block profile to these users, and I will show you live how it's getting blocked by the FortiGate firewall. So then right click on the Gen AI category, then select action block, and you can see there is a monitor, allow, block, quarantine, view signatures option is there. If allow, so this category will be get allow, and if block, so that category all application will be get blocked. Okay, and say okay to save the configuration. So next, go to the policy and object, then click on the firewall policy, and so open the internet policy and scroll down, and I will enable the application control and select the AI block profile, and I will select AI block profile and press OK to save the configuration. Okay, so once refresh the firewall, and after that I will refresh the ChatGPT browser. So I will try to open the ChatGPT on the new browser. Sometimes it gets cache, so that's why it's getting access. So now on live screen you can see that it's getting the blocked by the FortiGate application control. So you can see application block, you can see the application open AI ChatGPT, category is Gen AI, URL also you can see. I will try to access the Gemini, so Google Gemini AI, so it's also getting blocked. You can see application name Google Gemini. So all these 29 applications are blocked by the FortiGate firewall. If you want to access Google Gemini only category of the AI, so I will go to the firewall policy, then click on it and open the application control, and now you can see that I will open the view signature, and then I will search Gemini, and then right click on it, and you can see there is the ID number. So I will copy this ID 52849. So once the copy IP, so scroll down the application control profile, and in that you can see that application and filter overrides. In that option click on the create new, and then search paste here the ID, and then you can I will press enter, then you can see. So click on Google Gemini, then action will be allow. If you want to allow block, that depends on your requirement. Okay, so then I will press OK to save the configuration, and again press OK to save the profile configuration, and then I will try to access the Google Gemini. So I will open the new browser, and I will try to access the Gemini. So I try to multiple times, so it's getting I am a robot option. So I will try to access here Gemini AI. I will open that. No, because it's a old browser, so I will open the new browser and I will try to access again. So new incognito window, I will click on that, and then I will search Gemini AI. First I will chat GPT, and I will again try to search the Gemini AI. So I will click on I am not robot traffic lights. So I will select it and I will click on the verify. Multiple times I try to access, that's why it's getting this option. So click on verify, then Google Gemini, and now you can see ChatGPT is getting blocked and Gemini AI is working because I allow in the my application control profile. So I will type here, so you can see it's working, and ChatGPT is getting blocked by the application block, that is the by the application control, and you can see the Google Gemini is properly working. So if you found this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment your requirement, so I will try to create the video on your requirement. So thank you guys for watching my video. We will meet you soon.